Ladada lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a video that I am extremely excited for because I get to unbox a Barbie doll for you guys. Why does that excite me, might you ask? Well, I'm pretty much just a giant child at heart. I love all of the nostalgic things I enjoyed when I was a kid. Not gonna lie, I still enjoy half of them now. And the last time that I unboxed a Barbie doll probably would have been about 15 years ago at this stage. So excitement, probably an understatement. As a matter of fact, I think the last Barbie doll I would have unboxed was Erica from Princess and the Pauper. One year for Christmas, I got Erica and my sister got Annalise. If you guys haven't seen those dolls before, there they are. They were awesome. They sung 2 songs when you clicked the button on the back. Annalise would sing her song, and then they would sing their duet, and if you press the buttons at the same time, they would sing together. It was magical. I literally still have Princess and the Pauper on DVD, plus a bunch of other Barbie movies like Mermaidia and Fairytopia, 12 Dancing Princesses, Magic of Pegasus. I love those movies and no one can change my mind, adult or child. I will be watching them forever. Literally less than a week ago now, my sister Sarah was here and we watched the My Little Pony movie, plus a new one which is called Next Generation or something, I think. They were both fantastic. Of course, nothing beats the original, I think it was 1980s maybe, 87, that's a guess. Anyway, great My Little Pony movie. If you haven't seen it, get on it. Even if you're an adult, I don't care. I'm not gonna lie, Barbie is pretty much on my mind every single day. I've got reasoning, okay? My boss has started collecting vintage Barbie dolls, so pretty much he gets mail almost every day and I get to watch him unbox Barbie dolls. So I'm totally living the life at work at the moment. Literally just last Friday, I got back from my lunch break and my boss was like, "Angela, you're lucky I'm good to you." And I was like, oh no, what did I do? And then I just walk around the corner and there's just these parcels on the table and he waited for me to open them. It was beautiful. I'm really enjoying living vicariously through my boss at the moment, but now I don't have to live vicariously anymore because I have Barbie dolls of my own to unbox. As evident by the title, I am getting into a colour reveal Barbie today. I had not heard of these before until the other day. My boss and his assistant were talking about them and I was like, what the hell is a colour reveal Barbie? Had a little Google, had a little look on YouTube, and I knew I had to get one, and I knew that I had to unbox it for you guys. They were totally saying it's so gimmicky and Barbie dolls these days are so not as good as they used to be, which I'll agree anyway because obviously kind of biased. Growing up in that time, you like what you grew up with, but I love a little gimmick. Apparently you dip this Barbie doll into water. Initially it's a full pastel colour and then it reveals the looks of the Barbie. It'll all make more sense when I actually show you guys, but for now, let's grab those boxes and have a look. Ta-da! Here they are! I actually went to Kmart today to get one of these and they didn't have them in stock. Then I get home and Brayden has surprised me and bought these 2 for me, including a smaller one as well. So not only do we get to unbox 1, but we get to do 2. So I'm pretty excited. As far as I can see, there are 5 different dolls that you can potentially get. I think from a little bit of research, they don't actually have proper hair. When you dip in the water, obviously you don't really want to be dipping their hair in the water. So I think they have wigs, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't have any idea about these ones. I know this one was on sale for $14 it came up, which is pretty cool. And this one, there's the listing for you. I don't know how much it was. Apparently these are ages 3 and up, so I only qualify by 20 years? It says $1 for accessories. What does this one say? $1 for accessories. I've got to start with the big one. I can't help myself. Okay, let's open this plastic. Can I get a satisfying sound out of it? Let's see. Ready? Well, that was a fail. These things have never liked me. Oh, okay. So it peels off the entire shindig. To reveal a bunch of question marks. Okay, I've got instructions and everything. Nice little twist top. You almost use this as a water bottle after, I reckon. You get nice and hydrated. It's nice and big. Bit of plastic in the top there. Don't need that. The only plastic I'm after is the Barbie doll. Ooh, okay, so there's my accessories. I'll do the doll and then I'll do the accessories. Because it makes sense, you know, you're going to clothe her after. I do have a towel on the floor next to me as well, so I can dry her off and dress her up. I'm going to put the tube over there. Oh, it just occurred to me that you could totally put the water in the tube. Genius. I already filled up my, I've got like a vase with water in it next to me. Damn, that's a good idea. Good thinking, Barbie. I'm impressed with that. Okay, let's have a read. Take it out of the plastic. Fill the water up to that line. It's meant to be warm. Mine isn't warm. Hopefully this works. Then you're going to dip her in. She will reveal herself. Seems pretty straightforward to me. I'm so keen for this. Let's get our doll out. She's going to look real creepy at first because she's not going to have any features, but let's go. Ooh. I'm so excited. Okay, so she has a little hole in the back of her head where evidently you would put in her hair. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna get my water. I'm gonna put my towel on my lap. Ugh, got a big heavy vase. I wish that I had known about the tube because that would be a lot lighter. Are you ready? It's time to drown Barbie. Whee! Oh no, she doesn't fit. Reveal. Oh, we have some action. Oh my gosh. This is way too exciting. Can I just say, loving the colour of the water though. Oh my gosh, does she have pink hair? That's awesome. We're getting there, guys. Ooh. Mixy, mixy, Barbie. Give me a second and I'll get her clean properly. Okay, so I've just gone and run her under the tap, some warm water. It makes it a lot easier to get everything off of her. I get the whole dipping gimmick is fun and stuff, but obviously running her under a tap is going to be a lot easier to get all of that paint off, I guess. It's paint, it's water-based paint. But one thing I will say is that obviously because she has joints and stuff, there are gaps for the water to get in, so I'm still finding that I have to kind of keep wiping her down. Which for parents no doubt would be quite annoying because your kid will not be very patient, no doubt, and they will just want their Barbie doll and they want to play with it, but you don't want water getting everywhere in your house. So I don't think it's too bad. Like, I had to give it a bit of a shake and stuff, and I don't think it's like leaking horrendously, but it is still, you know, it's got white liquid, like milky kind of powdery liquid coming out of it because, yeah, obvious reasons, but that's the only thing I would say badly so far. Otherwise, I think she's pretty cool. I'm excited to get all of her accessories out and dress her up. So let's do that now. Barbie, you want to sit there? Are you going to be able to sit? Is that a thing? What have we got? Accessories. Pink bag. It's like no water for this one. Okay, I get it. Ooh, that's her hair. Look at that spectacular ponytail. The attachment is interesting, but, you know, how are they really going to do it? I kind of dig this. Ooh, yeah. Very springy. I'm kind of, do I want to, like, separate all the hairs? Is that what I want to do? It's going to get a lot more crazy, but you know what? We like crazy around here. Bang! For my Barbie, it's time to grow some hair. How well does this stay in? Push that in. It seems pretty in there, which is good. Ooh, yeah, now she's got fierce hair. Only thing is you can't style her hair when it's already in a ponytail. That's my only complaint thus far. Now what do we got for clothing? Ooh. Little polka dot number. Nice little skirt. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've dressed a doll. I'm not gonna lie. Feeling very nostalgic right now. Especially for Barbie dolls, like I definitely went through a Bratz doll phase where Barbies were no longer cool, Bratz were cool. Now I don't really have a preference, I don't think. I still watch Bratz, still watch Barbie, don't play with them, but I still have them all hidden somewhere at home. By home I mean at my parents' place. Thanks parents for storing things. What do we got? A green pouch. It feels like some little earrings, I think, and she does have holes for earrings, so very nice, easy accessory for your children to lose. Ooh. Some long pink hoopy kind of earrings. Stab those in. Stab those in. Nice choice of words, Angela. Ooh yeah. She looking fierce. Okay, what's this last bit gonna be? Some kind of jacket or top or something? Oh no. Oh, shoes, of course. Oh. Shoes. Some nice little plastic pink stilettos. With her pink feet. Nah, her stockings. But they may as well be pink feet. Whoops. Yes. look at her. She's stunning. Where am I going to put her? I might place her somewhere on my little bookshelf here. I've got all my pop vinyls and Disney DVDs and things going on up there. She's pretty cool. Nice little polka dot skirt, pink heels. The pink hair is just everything, let's be honest. Well, that's it for proper Barbie. Let's get the second one out. Here we have the next one. I think this is meant to be like a teenager one. Where's the opening for it? There we go. I totally went to smell it then. There's the doll, and there's the accessories, and there's the instructions. Am I going to dip her into the purple water? Probably, because I can't be bothered refilling it. Ready? Let's open her. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, look at the pattern on that. I don't know how well you guys can see, but like it's kind of marbly looking almost. We can actually drown this one because she's shorter. But no, we'll say she's going for a swim forever. In you go, child. Does she sink? Oh no, she floats. Give her a swirl. Water's probably going to change colour now. Oh, little progress. I already like her. She's cool. She's got flamingos on her shirt. Yes, girl. Work it. Okay. She does still have a bit of stuff on her, but I think I won't need to run this one under the sink. Wishful thinking, probably, because I'm just being lazy, really, aren't I? Okay, yeah, there's bits and bobs I need to run under the sink. I'll be back. Okay, that was a lot easier to dry than the other one, but it makes sense considering it's like way smaller. Accessories. Which one am I going to start with? This is the first one. This is the first one I grabbed, so this is what I'm going to open. What do we got? Oh! It's a little milkshake. Only thing is, like, she can only hold it at that angle, and I'm sorry, honey, but that would totally tip your milkshake out. Next. The cutest little shoes ever. Oh my gosh, you wouldn't even think her feet would fit. I can't even figure out which one's which. There's little shoes. I love that sound. It's like a zipper almost. Ooh, she's got a little fancy towel. Oh my gosh, does it have a flamingo? It has a flamingo. It matches her swimsuit. I'm obsessed. Now, surely this last one's gonna be like a sarong or some kind of clothes or something, right? Oh! The cutest little tiny skirt. I wouldn't say that the skirt is like the best quality. It doesn't sit very well either, but it still looks cute. Yeah, go with normal size Barbie. You guys look pretty good together. Bit of hot pink going on, we like it. Well, there you go, guys. I have unboxed my Barbies. I'm one happy chappy. Not gonna lie, part of me kind of wants to get more of them, but only thing is if you did want to collect more, you could potentially get the same ones again, but if you got plenty of disposable income, you can just donate those ones and keep going till you get them all, I guess. If you're on board with the whole gimmick thing, then I think these dolls are super great value and a little bit of fun as well for you or for your kid, or if you know you're just like me and are a super big child, then go ahead and get one. That is all from me today, lovelies. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Obviously, today's one was a little bit of silly childhood fun, but we love that around here, and I hope that you guys do too. If you did enjoy this video, please do not hesitate to give it a massive thumbs up. You know that it means a lot to me, guys, and I really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Angela. If you would like to join me on a more permanent basis, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button to join our lovely Ladada family, and of course, ding that notification bell to be told when I bring out a new video. I'm all done now, guys. I'm going to clean up the bits of rubbish around me, get rid of my pastel water, and then have a milkshake just because I feel like it. Each and every one of you have an absolutely wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful, marvelous, spectacular, amazing day, and I will see you next time. Ladada, love ya.